So see, there is a very popular and saying that if it is in the code, then it is a machine learning. If it is in PPT, then AI. People use AI everywhere just to AI becomes such a keyword that everyone just code the AI and all that. What is machine learning? Someone say that, can you explain the machine learning to a non-technical person? Let me tell you what is machine learning. I have a daughter, 2 years old, and we were showing her some picture other days. There was a book, and we say that, see dog, see dog, see cat, see cat, dog, cat, dog, cat. 2 days, 3 days. Next day, we were walking on the road. She said, Papa, dog. That's a machine learning. You teach someone a machine. What is a machine for us? It's a brain. And why it is called artificial intelligence? Because God has given us real intelligence and we are trying to mimic it. And that's why I call it artificial intelligence. We all have a real intelligence. Everyone learns something, right? We also have the whole artificial intelligence is actually motivated from the brain. We also have the neurons and everything which is there in the neural network. Machine learning is basically through an examples. You are teaching someone to identify or operate in a certain way. We are teaching the kids every simple single example. This is a straight line, this is a vertical line. You often heard that there is a model which can identify whether it's a cat or dog, right? You often have heard that there are a lot of machine learning models, there are deep learning models. How do we do that? We give a lot of examples. This is cat, this is dog, this is cat, this is dog, and eventually they learn. We as a human learn very quickly, but artificial intelligence takes a time. And that's the difference between the real intelligence and the artificial intelligence. What my daughter is currently learning is real intelligence. What my models are doing are artificial intelligence. Now, coming to the difference between the machine learning and deep learning. See, ultimately, the whole technical space is machine learning. Okay. And someone answered that deep learning is a part of it. You are absolutely right. Deep learning is a special part of the machine learning, which recently got very, very popular. And I will elaborate on it how it is. So, machine learning is actually an algorithms. Okay. The machine learning part is an algorithm. Deep learning is a part of it. The special types of algorithms are deep learning. What is AI? When you use those algorithms, put it in some system and make things a end product. Alexa is AI. Alexa is AI. There is a hardware around it. There is a machine learning algorithms in it, and then it becomes AI. So that is what it is. So AI is a bigger space. Machine learning is a set of algorithms which basically helps you to uh, add the learning part, right? You use a machine learning algorithms to add the learning part, intelligence part into it. And deep learning is a special type of algorithms. So let me tell you the difference between the machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so AI and machine learning, I hope it is clear. Now, what is the difference between machine learning and AI? Oh, sorry, machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning uh, was there from 80s, 90s. Okay, uh, and I'll tell you about from the data perspective. If you have a row and column data, row and column, let's say it's a house price prediction problem. Okay, given a given a features of the house, you need to predict what is the price. What are the features you would use to predict the house price, by the way? What do you think which will tell the price of the house? When you have to buy the house, what do you ask your broker?
Area
Sir,
of the
area,
area.
Area,
location,
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 number of
location.
bathrooms, number of bedrooms, balcony size, all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So think of it this way, that every row is a one house, and features of the house, that what is the area, what is the bedroom, what is the bathroom, and all that stuff is your features. And eventually your target is your actual price. And imagine you have a data of 1 million houses. You're imagining it, visualizing it. So that's what I call row and column data, where row is my sample and column is your feature, and there is a target to it. We call it a structured data, the data which you can put in a table. You can put in a table format, you can put in Excel format. There is a row, there is a column, right? Agreed. Now when you have this kind of data, what you use is the traditional machine learning. So machine, we nowadays started using two terms, traditional machine learning and deep learning. When you have a structured data, there are traditional machine learning algorithms which works on this row column data. When there is a row and there is a column and then there is a target, such as algorithms such as logistic regression, linear regression, SVM, random forest, decision trees, boosting, everything of this is a traditional machine learning. When you have that, and this we were doing till 90s 2000, till 2010 and all that, everyone was doing that only. But then what happened, there was a big data arrived. What is that data? Unstructured data, text and images and videos. So I will put text in one form and videos and images in other form. When that happened, that people started storing this unstructured data, text and videos and images, and we call it, actually now there is a two streams. There is a vision stream is image and video data, and there is a NLP, natural language, that is handles the text data. Okay. Deep learning is about use set of algorithms which works very well on these two types of data or these two type stream. So don't think that someone says that everything in this world works on deep learning. No,